Hello dear students, this is the 10 Little Indians project workshop on story, theme, and quotes. It will take an hour and a half to complete. So this is divided into two parts, part 1 individually and part 2 peer review. So part 1 individually you will select the following for the 10 Little Indians project: a short story from the search engine, Do Not Go Gentle, Do You Know Where I Am, or What You Pawn I Will Redeem. One of the themes: tribal custom versus modern custom, alcoholism, identity, relationships, or loss, and the 10 quotes from the short story you selected. Remember to know the page number of each quote, as you will need to reference these in your presentation. Type the quotes in a Word or Google Doc so you can easily copy and paste them in your presentation. Example of quotes in MLA format: quotation mark, then you will write quote, comma, end quote, close quotation mark, open parenthesis, author last name and page number, close parenthesis, period. Note, the period comes after the closing parentheses. You will type your quote here. So this is an example: Alexia, 28, close parenthesis, period. Part 2, peer review. You will be assigned 3 classmates to review their theme and quotes. Provide feedback, written 3+ sentences, audio 1 minute, on the following: how the quotes fit with the theme of the short story selected. If the quotes are formatted correctly using MLA, point to any issues, but do not correct them, as this will be done by the student. Note, review the scoring rubric for this assignment prior to submitting. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I will be more than happy to assist you.